Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of tomatoes. If you've ever struggled with getting more fruit and less foliage, this video is for you. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to grow lots of tomatoes and not just leaves. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about selecting the right variety of tomatoes. Not all tomatoes are created equal, and choosing the right type for your climate and space is crucial. Consider the type of tomato that suits your needs, determinate or indeterminate. Determinate varieties are bushier and tend to produce fruit all at once, which is great for canning. Indeterminate varieties grow like vines and produce fruit continuously over the season, perfect for fresh eating. When selecting seeds or seedlings, look for disease-resistant varieties. This will save you a lot of trouble down the road. Next, let's prepare the soil. Tomatoes love well-drained, nutrient-rich soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.8. Work in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure to boost organic matter. This improves soil structure and fertility. Adding crushed eggshells or a bit of lime can help provide calcium, which prevents blossom end rot. When planting, bury 2/3 of the tomato plant stem. This encourages more root growth and results in a stronger, healthier plant. Space your plants 18 to 24 inches apart to ensure good air circulation. Water your plants thoroughly after planting. Tomatoes need consistent moisture, so keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. One common mistake is letting your tomato plants grow wild. To get more fruit and less foliage, you need to prune and train your plants properly. Remove the suckers. These are the small shoots that grow between the main stem and branches. They drain energy from the plant, leading to more leaves and less fruit. Train your plants by tying them to stakes, cages, or trellises. This keeps the fruit off the ground and reduces the risk of disease. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. Use a balanced fertilizer, but once the plants start to flower, switch to a low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer. Too much nitrogen promotes leaf growth instead of fruit. Apply fertilizer according to the package instructions. Over-fertilizing can do more harm than good. Watering is crucial. Tomatoes need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, keeps the roots cool, and prevents weeds. Use organic mulch like straw or grass clippings. Healthy plants are less susceptible to pests and diseases, but it's important to keep an eye out. For pests like aphids or whiteflies, use insecticidal soap or neem oil. For diseases like blight or mildew, ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Finally, it's time to harvest. Pick your tomatoes when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, a complete guide to growing lots of tomatoes and not just leaves. Follow these steps, and you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and leave a comment below with your own tomato growing tips. Happy gardening!